morning, everyone. It's day 3 of my trip, and I am going to try to do a day beginning to end, try to go through each thing that happens today as much as I can and as much as I can remember to do it. I'm getting ready right now, and I have just finished attempting to curl my hair, which has been sort of successful, somewhat successful, moderately. It's not the best, but whatever. Anyway, I don't always curl my hair, but yesterday I didn't do anything because we had to leave so freaking early. So I decided to just, put in minimal effort. So today I'm putting in a little more effort. We have 4 legs today. I'm gonna stop spinning around. We have 4 legs today. We start out going to Houston, then we go to Oklahoma City, then we go to Las Vegas, and then we end up in LA, and I go home. Our report time is 5:50, and you can see there that we have 143 people checked in, and we have 175 seats, so that means we'll have a little bit of breathing room on this first flight. I think the rest of the day we're pretty full, but I will check back in on that. And we're on a max 8 today, so that will be nice. That means as the C position, I will have my own galley. I will not have to be crammed in with anyone else. So that will be also nice. Yeah. So I gotta get dressed and get packed up. So I'll see you at the airport. One leg down, and I just went to Dunkin', and I guess there's like a water situation in Houston, and so I couldn't get a hot coffee, so I got this guy right here, which is not my favorite. So anyway, I had to get this guy, and I'm not usually a cold coffee person. This probably has like 8 million grams of sugar in it, but whatever. Anyway, it's got caffeine. It's the goal, right? All right, and I got a sandwich. So before I forget, we are going to Oklahoma City next, and we have full load. Are you guys shocked? I know. Me too. No, not really. Anyway, Oklahoma City is next, and then Vegas, and then home. So let me eat. Hey guys, I decided to try to wrap this up at home because the day just slipped on by, and I did not get a chance to video anymore on my trip. So here I am at home. This is actually my second day off. Yesterday was so busy. One thing about flying or being a flight attendant is that you have to kind of squeeze in your appointments strategically into your days off. So I have had 4 appointments that I had to knock out, and also get everything else done, groceries and laundry and all that. So here I am, day 2, and I go back to work tomorrow. I have a 3-day trip starting tomorrow, and we'll talk about that tomorrow. But let me tell you how my trip wrapped up. It was actually pretty good. We had a 4-leg day, which is always like a little scary, but everything went really smoothly. I think we only had like a 3-minute delay, and that basically just means we probably had to check someone's bag, and so we'd close the door a little bit late. But yeah, it wasn't bad at all. Had some weird challenges in the exit row this trip. I usually have no problems with people in the exit row, but and it wasn't anything like crazy serious, but when I do the exit spiel and they have to respond that they're willing and able to help, they have to be paying attention. And so usually I get their attention, say, make sure they have your, headphone out and whatnot. And I always want them to look at me so I can know that they're paying attention. Well, I guess I must have missed this guy. He didn't hear a word I said. And so when I went to ask him if he's willing and able, he was like, what? Like, did you hear anything I said? Did you hear what I asked you? No. Did you hear anything I said? No, ma'am. Like, all right, call me ma'am does not make it any better. But so I redid the spiel, and he was fine. But yeah, I was like, can you please listen? And then another guy, he's like, didn't even realize he was in the exit row, which, I mean, I cut him a little bit of slack because on the 800 and the Max 8, like that back row of the exit row is kind of like weird, and it doesn't really look like it's in the exit row, but it is because it's not right next to the exit door. But anyway, I ramble. So trip ended up great. There was no traffic on the way home, which was super fabulous, and that was at about 1:30 in the afternoon. So I was really excited, got home and had a lovely rest of my afternoon to relax. So here I am, I'm back, and sometimes part of the reason I don't video or post videos is because I just forget. I get caught up in life, and so I am feeling more positive and more upbeat. I just went through a little weird moment, and I don't go through those very often, but sometimes it happens. But anyway, here we are. It is Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday, and I will start a new trip and go over that. And you know what's crazy is after that, I have 2 weeks off. Well, I did that because my kiddos are coming to town, and I wanted to be able to hang out with them. So I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Ours was very low key. We did not do much. We had brunch at home. I cooked, and then I made some side dishes, and we went over to my sister-in-law's. And there was just 7 of us there. That was it. My two kids were, my oldest and my youngest were not there, and my brother and sister-in-law's youngest was not there. So it was a very skeleton crew, but it was fine. So cheers to holiday season, and please be kind to everyone out there who is working in retail or service industries, because they are doing the best they can as far as you know. So that's my encouragement for the day, my public service announcement. All right, thanks guys for watching. Please give a thumbs up, or if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and have a wonderful rest of your week.